back on another episode of Linux Hub, and on this episode we are going to take a look at a distro called Winux 7. It's like a Windows 7 clone. I'm pretty sure it was created with a Linux Mint. At least it looks like it, but we're going to go ahead and install it and take a look at it. But first, let me fix the display here so we get a proper 1080p screen, and then we'll start the installation. Alright, so let's go ahead and install it. I'll double click on the install Winux 7 beta version 0.1.1. Alright, welcome, English, okay. Keyboard layout, English US, good. Normal installation, web browser utilities, Office, minimal installation. Let's do the normal with the media codecs. Erase this and install Linux Mint. Sure, yeah. So it is compiled from Linux Mint, which is nothing wrong with that. Hey, it's all open source. Where are you? Los Angeles. Your name. Linux Hub. The super password. Log in automatically. Continue. Alright, looks like the installation is underway. So as usual, usually takes about between 5 and 10 minutes. So I'll go ahead and pause the video now, and I'll see you back once it's installed. Alright, we're back now. Everything's installed, so we're going to go ahead and restart and get into the system. Alright, Winux 7 is booting up. Still on this welcome screen. As you can tell, it's modified to look like Windows 7, so it should be fun taking a look at it. Update standard folders to current language. Current folder name, new folder name. Alright, let me go ahead and fix the display again. Set it to 1080p, and then we'll start taking a look at the system. Alright, the display is fixed now, so let's see what these windows are. What do you want to do? Set up Microsoft Office, set up Adobe Photoshop, set up 7-zip. Let me see what this actually does. So I'm guessing I should copy this. So we're installing actual Microsoft Office. Well, alrighty then. Alright, well that's going. Let's go ahead and check out the panel. First we'll look at the system tray where we have our clock, with the clock. You click on it, it opens up the calendar, which also has a date and time setting. Date and time setting, you can use the 24-hour clock or 12-hour clock. You can change network time, display date, display seconds, first day of the week. Quite a few options. Then we have our internet connections, volume rocker, and sound settings, file manager, and plugged in devices, update manager. No, we don't want to update it. And then I think this is a report, error report or system reports. Yeah, that's what it is. Alright, let's worry about that. Then these are your open windows. And pinned to the panel, we have VLC Media Player. Let's go ahead and take a look at that. VLC, see what version you're running. 3.0.9.2. Veterinary. VLC Media Player. Play audio, video, streaming links, playlists. Plays pretty much everything, all types of media. And that was VLC. Now let's open up the file manager. Is this a modified version of GNOME or is it something else? I mean, not GNOME, Nemo, because Cinnamon uses Nemo. Let's take a look and see what it is. Caja. All right. I think Caja is what's used on the Mate desktop. But, you know, it's a file manager. Pretty much does the same thing that any other file manager does. All right. So that's Caja. And Microsoft Office has been successfully installed. Visit. All right, we'll close you. Yeah. What is this? Oh. Alright, I'm done with you. Guess we should just go ahead and set up Adobe while we're here. 2, install. 3, configure. So I'm guessing 1 is to install. Yeah, 1 install Photoshop. So let's do that. And while that's going, let's check out the browser, which I think they're using Chrome. Choose a password for the keyring. Alright, we'll use a super password here. Okay, just open the damn thing. And is it Chrome or Chromium? Well, let's find out. Looks like it is Google Chrome. 114.0.5735.106. Alright, so Winux 7. Winux 7 is what we're checking out. No search results found. Go to Google Chrome. Let's try it up here. Winux 7. I'm not sure if this is the person that contacted me to take a look at this system or not, but because I didn't get this from DistroWatch. This was actually someone contacted me and wanted me to take a look at the system, so that's what I'm doing here. If that's not the person that actually contacted me, I'll get his info and I'll post it down in the video description. But it's Cinnamon Winux 7, a Linux distro that tried to look like Windows 7. Alright. Please install Mono and Gecko packages, then click on OK button. Do not change Windows version from Windows 7. Click Mono and Gecko. The hell is Mono and Gecko? You know what? I don't know what that is, so whether it installs or not, I don't really care. Alright, let's check out the applications launcher. Look at that. Looks just like Windows 7 too. Alright, so here when you open up the menu, you got your getting started, calculator, drawing, software manager, system settings, terminal, and files. So we'll start with getting started. See what it's this thing. Alright, close you up. And calculator. 9999999 times 8888888 equals 8.8889. And let's see what calculator they're running here. Calculator 3.36.0. Alright, that's your calculator app. Let's go back to the app launcher. Drawing. What is this? It's the first time? Nah. So what is this? Just a doodle drawer? Yeah. Things meant to look like paint. Drawing 0.8.4. Discard. Then we have our software manager. Pretty sure this is just software. Min install 8.0.9. Software manager. Yep, it's the Linux Mint installer. So pretty much anything you find on Linux Mint is right here. Could let's see if we got HTOP in. HTOP. Let's go ahead and install it real quick. And while that's installing, we'll go ahead and look for NeoFetch. Okay, so Photoshop has been installed. NeoFetch is already installed, so we're all good. Alright, so that's your software manager. Okay. Let's get back to the application launcher. Terminal. Is this the known terminal? Just modified, or what is it? Well, it just says terminal, so not sure what it is, but let's take a look at HTOP. Using 1 gigabyte, not bad. Cinnamon, it's been known to be a heavy desktop. It's like GNOME. You can get laggy at times. Let's go ahead and get out of there and do a NeoFetch. Alright. OS Winux 7, Cinnamon Beta. Kernel is 5.4.0. Yeah, desktop environment is Cinnamon, and the theme is Windows 7 Master. That's a good thing about Linux. You can make it look however you want it. Make it look like Windows, make it look like Mac, whatever your heart desires. Alright, so that's that. And then we already saw the file manager. It was Kaha. And these are just, let's get into the system settings. Let's take a look at themes. So right now, of course, it's all themed to look like Windows 7, but that can be changed. It look like Mint Y, Windows 7 old, and the current Windows 7. Then the icons can also be changed. Got a big selection here of icons. Currently we're on the Windows 7, but we can change it to like that. See, it also changed right here. Up in the left upper corner, see it changes the desktop icons also. Go back, set it to Windows 7, and then now our button layout. Right now it's on Windows 7 Master, but we could go Adwaita Dark. We do some Mint Dark, some Mint Pink. Let's get back to Windows 7 Master. Just leave it at that for the sake of this video. All right, now let's check out some wallpapers. See how cool the wallpapers are. There's your Mint. Well, this is the one we're on. This is your standard Linux Mint wallpaper. Different versions of Mint. I'll just leave that one and move on. Alright, seems like that's pretty much, well, I didn't see no, let's see what we got for multimedia. Oh, here it is, sounds and video. Now this is the regular, this is how you get onto all your stuff. So let's check out LibreOffice. So Office, what version of Office we got here? Version 6.4.7.2. Alright, and this is LibreOffice. But I'm pretty sure when it said installed Office, it was Microsoft Office, so I'll have to search for that. Alright, other, getting started, sound and video. Here we got our celluloid. .21. Audio, video player. They also have VLC, but it's Linux. You can have whatever you want. They have Rhythm Box. Rhythm Box 3.4.4. Music management and playback software for GNOME. This is Rhythm Box. So here's the Microsoft files. So what did I open? Opened up, I installed Office. So let's see how Excel looks. Would you look at that? Microsoft Excel. I guess on this video I could do a comparison of go back down. Alright. Looks to me like Microsoft is stuck. Yeah, it's probably trying to get online and do something. Alright. Let's open up the terminal. Type X kill. And then murder him. There you go. When programs acting stupid and don't want to shut down, just open up the terminal, click or type X kill, and then your cursor will turn into an X, and whatever you click on, it'll kill it. This, we're done with you. For the benefit of the doubt, let's give Office one more chance. Failed to start. Do you want Excel to start safe? Well, sure. Go ahead. Alright. I see it's gonna act stupid again, so I'm gonna just go ahead and kill it again. Alright. Well, we've seen pretty much everything we need to see on here. It's pretty straightforward. It's basically Linux Mint disguised in a Windows 7 theme. So, I think he has two other versions. He has a Windows 7 and a Windows 11 version also. Well, clones. They're Linux, but they're made to look like 10. It's either as Windows 10 and XP or 10 and 11. When I get a chance, I'll take a look at them and post some videos for you guys. But for now, I'm going to call it quits on this video. And I'll see you on the next one. And I'm out.